In today's Crypto Link Up, we highlight Robinhood expanding into micro futures. Deribit sets a new options record, and Bakkt looks to raise $1 billion despite financial headwinds. Plus, the IRS steps up crypto enforcement. Hackers push 2025 crypto thefts past $2 billion, and Anchorage stirs debate over stablecoin delistings. Let's get into today's top stories. Robinhood has introduced micro futures contracts for Bitcoin, Solana, and XRP, lowering the entry barrier for traders. This follows recent acquisitions of Bitstamp for $200 million and WonderFi for $179 million, extending its regulatory reach across over 50 licenses and new Canadian platforms. Amid declining venture capital, major merger and acquisitions deals like this highlight how top players are consolidating market share. Next, a new benchmark for Bitcoin options. Deribit reported over $40 billion in open interest for Bitcoin options on Friday, its highest to date. BTC saw 139,000 contracts expire worth $15 billion in notional value, with a put-call ratio of 0.75 and max pain at $102,000. Ethereum followed with $2.29 billion in expiries. Despite the volume, BTC held steady, while ETH dipped 2%. Deribit growing market share reflects its strategic role in Coinbase's $2.9 billion Deribit acquisition. Now, a major crypto firm seeks cash. Bakkt has filed a Form S-3 with the SEC to raise up to $1 billion via securities offerings. Despite recent policy changes allowing digital asset investments, Bakkt hasn't deployed capital yet. It also flagged doubts about its ability to remain operational amid a 46% stock decline and the loss of key clients. Still, Bakkt hopes market timing will allow it to pivot as the sector evolves. Don't want to miss out on the latest updates? Subscribe, and while you're at it, give us a thumbs up so we know you find these videos informative. We want to hear from you too, so leave us a comment. Meanwhile, the IRS is ramping up activity. Crypto tax platform CoinLedger reports a 758% increase in IRS letters to U.S. investors over 60 days. The notices range from reminders to audit threats, often stemming from reporting gaps or incomplete data. With brokers soon required to report crypto sales via Form 1099-DA, experts urge users to organize records now to avoid compliance risks. Moving on, let's talk about security breaches. TRM Labs reports $2.1 billion in crypto thefts in the first half of 2025. Infrastructure-level attacks, including seed phrase and front-end exploits, cause most of the losses, 10 times higher than protocol-level hacks. A $1.5 billion state-sponsored attack on Bybit alone skewed averages, making crypto security a growing geopolitical concern. And finally, stablecoins are back in the spotlight. Anchorage Digital has delisted USDC, AUSD, and USD0, citing risk scores and potential regulatory conflicts. Its new stablecoin safety matrix flagged issues like concentration risk. Agora CEO Nick Van Eck criticized the move, calling it biased and misleading, especially as U.S. lawmakers consider the Genius Act. The delisting signals how competitive and politically charged the stablecoin space is becoming. And that's our daily link up. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any updates. I'll catch you in the next one.